Dear students, in this video we will do harmonic sequence. This is the continuation of the previous video in which we have done the concept of harmonic sequence. In this video we will do some more examples and we will clarify the concept more. Better subscribe this channel before going if you didn't subscribe it. Harmonic sequence or harmonic progression. The abbreviation is HP, harmonic progression, is a sequence such that if we take the reciprocals of its terms, then it forms an arithmetic sequence. The reciprocals of its terms form an arithmetic sequence. For example, this is the given harmonic sequence. If we take the reciprocal, then this is an arithmetic sequence or arithmetic progression, because if we subtract the first term from the second term, we are getting 4, and if we subtract second term from the third term, we are again getting 4. This means the difference is common and it is known as D, and it is 4. And this is arithmetic sequence because the difference is common. Now we will find the nth term or the general term of this harmonic sequence. For this we will first find the nth term of this arithmetic sequence, and then we will take the reciprocal and we will get the nth term of harmonic sequence. So first what we will do, we will find the general term for this arithmetic sequence, and then so what is the general term of this arithmetic sequence? The formula is, as we have previously discussed in videos, that an is equal to a1 plus n minus 1 into d. This is the formula. And what is a1? This is the first term, so 3, and n minus 1 into d is 4. So after putting the values of a1 and d, we are getting an is equal to 4n minus 1, and this is the general term of the arithmetic progression. Now what is the general term of harmonic progression? It is obtained since we know that arithmetic progression and harmonic progression terms are reciprocal of each other. So if we take the reciprocal of arithmetic term, we will get the corresponding harmonic term. So the general term of arithmetic progression, if we take its reciprocal, we are getting the general term of harmonic progression. So Hn is equal to 1 over An, and we know An is 4n minus 1. So Hn is equal to 1 divided by 4n minus 1. And this is the general term for harmonic progression, this given harmonic progression. If we put n is equal to 1, 2, 3 and so on, we will get these terms, first term, second and third and so on. If we put one by one, n is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. So this general term of harmonic progression represent this whole harmonic sequence. So okay, first put n is equal to 1, we will get 1 over 3. If we put n is equal to 2, we will get 1 over 7, and if we put n is equal to 3, we will get 1 divided by 11. So it will generate the whole harmonic sequence or harmonic progression. Okay, the terms of harmonic, as we know, the terms of arithmetic progression is represented by A1, A2, A3, and so on. The terms of harmonic progression will be H1, H2, H3, and so on. So this is H1, and this one is H2, and this one is H3, and the next term will be H4, and so on, and the general term will be Hn. Now go to another example. We are given second term, which is 1 by 5, 1 divided by 5, and the fourth term 1 divided by 9, and we are asked to find the seventh term. So we are given H2. H2 is equal to 1 divided by 5. That is second term of harmonic progression or harmonic sequence. And we are also given fourth term of harmonic progression. And we are asked to find H7. So we are taking the corresponding arithmetic terms, that is A2. A2 will be what? The reciprocal of this thing, that is 5. And A4, H4, so A4 will be 9, the reciprocal of this thing. And we will find A7. When we find A7, then we will find H7 by 1 divided by A7 at the end, and we will get the answer. So A2, but we know that A2 is equal to A1 plus D, and A4 is equal to A1 plus 3D. As we know from the previous videos of arithmetic progression or arithmetic sequence, that A2 is A1 plus D and A4 is A1 plus 3D. A2 is given, that is 5, but A1 is not given, so A1, and D is not given, so this thing, and over here A4 is given. What is A4? That is 9, and A1 is not given, and D is not given. So in this way we are getting two simultaneous linear equations. A1 plus 3D, we will first write this thing. A1 plus 3D is equal to 9. Is 9, and second is A1 plus D is equal to 5. We will subtract. Okay, this is our equation number 2, and this one is our equation number 1. So we will subtract equation number 1 from equation number 2. For subtraction we will change the sign. It is plus, so it will be converted to negative, and then this is negative and this one is also negative. So A1 is cancelled with A1, and 3D minus D is 2D, and over here 9 minus 5 is 4, so this means D is equal to 4 divided by 2, which is 2. So this means D is 2. D is 2. Putting this D equal to 2 in one of these equations. So the simplest one is this thing, a1 plus d is equal to 5. This one, equation number 1, putting the value of d over here. What is d? D is 2. So this means a1 is equal to 5 minus 3, and this means a1 is equal to 2. So this is the value of a1. Now we will find, as I have already told you, we will find first a7. So a7 means, so we have got a1 is equal to 2 and d is equal to, a1 is equal to 2, sorry, this is 2, so this is 3, the value of d is 2. So a1 is equal to 3 and d is equal to 2. Now we will further go. A1 is 3 and d is 2. Now we will find the 7th term. A7 is a1 plus 60. What is a1? A1 is 3 and d is 2. So 3 plus 12, and the answer is 15. So our 7th term of in the arithmetic sequence is 15. Now what is the 7th term which is required in harmonic sequence? This will be equal to 1 over a7, and the answer will be obtained 1 over h7 is 1 over a7 and a7 is 15. So we have got the 7th term of harmonic sequence or harmonic progression. Now go to the next example. If the general term of the harmonic sequence is given, which is this thing, and we are asked to find harmonic sequence or to generate the harmonic sequence from this general term. The general term of harmonic sequence is given as 5 minus 2n. Hn represents the general term of harmonic sequence. Now we will put n is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. First put n is equal to 1. So h1 5 minus 2 into 1, and this equal to 5 minus 2, and this equal to 1 over 3. And now put n is equal to 2 over here and over here. 5 minus 2 multiply 2. This implies h2 is equal to 5 minus 4, 1 over 5 minus 4 and 1 over 1, which is equal to 1. So this is the second term of harmonic sequence. This one is the first term h1 and this one is the second term h2. Now put n is equal to 3 in this general term. So h3 1 over 5 minus 2 multiply 3. So h3 is equal to 1 divided by 5 minus 6, and the answer is 1 divided by minus 1, and at the end it is minus 1. So we have got 3 terms. We can also get h4 if we put n is equal to 4, 1 divided by 5 minus 2, into 4, and 1 divided by 5 minus 8, and this is equal to minus 1 divided by 3. Now if we put n is equal to 5, put n is equal to 5 in this general term, we will get the fifth term of harmonic progression. So 1 divided by 5 minus 10, and this is equal to minus 1 divided by 5. So these are the terms: 1 divided by 3, 1, minus 1, and minus 1 by 5. So 1 divided by 3 and 1 minus 1 and minus 1 by 3 minus 1 by 5. So this is the given harmonic sequence, or this is the required harmonic sequence or harmonic progression. This one is the first term, this one is the second term, the third term, the fourth term, and the fifth term. We can easily obtain, generally, instead of deriving one by one the terms, we can put n is equal to, and over here h n. So first n is equal to 1, so over here h1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and so on. So first put over here n is equal to 1, we will be getting 1 by 3, and then n is equal to 2, we will be getting 1 over 1, and over here n is equal to 2, n is equal to 3, so we will be getting 1 divided by minus 1, and in other words minus 1, and then n is equal to 4, so we will be getting 1 divided by minus 3, and n is equal to 5. If we put n is equal to 5, so 5 minus 10, and it is minus 5, so 1 divided by minus 5. After simplification, this one will be equal to 1, then minus 1, then minus 1 by 3, and then minus 1 by 5. Okay, go to the next page. So in the simplest way, the harmonic sequence is H1, H2, H3, H4, so these are the terms, and general term is Hn, and if it is infinite, then it will go further. If we take the reciprocal of this, so it will be 1 over H1, 1 divided by H2, 1 divided by H3, 1 divided by H4, 1 divided by H5, and so on, and 1 divided by Hn, and so on. So this one is first term, and this one is second term, and this one is the third term of the arithmetic sequence. So this is the corresponding arithmetic sequence or arithmetic progression. These are the terms of harmonic progression, and these are the terms of corresponding arithmetic progression. So the corresponding arithmetic progression is obtained by just taking the reciprocal of the terms of harmonic progression. So we will take the reciprocal of each term and we will be getting the terms of the corresponding arithmetic progression. With this I end the video. Thank you.